Why does your scanner show the P2089 engine code? What does it mean? P2089 is a diagnostic trouble code for A camshaft position actuator control circuit high bank 1. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's computer has detected a high voltage condition in the camshaft position actuator control circuit for bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position actuator, wiring issues, oil control valve malfunction, incorrect engine timing, poor electrical connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Kia Sorento and Dodge Ram vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.